Good evening on this quick trading alert for everyone's company favorite Dogecoin. Let's go see what we got going on with Dogecoin. Let's see. It's been some hype this evening. A potential pattern to watch out for if you're trying to swing trade could be this. You could have and welcome to our new 8 subscribers we picked up this evening. Very excited about that. I think we're up to 123 subscribers, if you can believe that, because you can see a left shoulder, a weird looking head, I guess, and then a little bit of a right shoulder. But there's something in here that I could say could be, a bullish scenario. And that's where this target came from. If you're trying to swing trade something, I wouldn't be saying bet the farm on this, but say you want to swing trade this, you could put a buy order in slightly above the resistance, right? The upper resistance. If you wanted to play it safe, you go just above that last wick. Yes, you eat into some of your potential profits, but you're putting the probabilities more on your side that there won't be a dip and a fake out, right? And you say, well, what the fuck's a fake out? Well, here's what a fake out here in the 4-hour time frame would be. Let's pull our company and YouTube famous drawing tool out. Would be you pump up with a little bit of volume, and then right there, then you come down. And you'd be fucked because you think you're playing the breakout and you're going to go out and meet the target. But the market's just faking you out to draw you in so it can take your money when they sell here, and then you ride the fucking dump. So if you want to play a breakout, what that would be your targeted move out of a possible inverse head and shoulders reversal pattern, right? You see that? If you're trying to play this to see if you never trade it, you never buy in before the breakout of the neckline, which is up here, right? If you're going to play the trade, but you could say that's the left shoulder, and you could say that's the head, and then you could say this is the right shoulder developing, flirting with the neckline. Let's give some more love to our rapidly gaining popularity eraser. Subscribers wanted more eraser. The subscribers get more eraser. They're going to get a whole lot of eraser right now. Bam, 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 son, bam. Good job, eraser. We're all proud of you. And back now to the company favorite drawing tool. I love my drawing tool. You see the Ohio State criminal gangster cartel killer down here. The son of the jabroni killer and the nephew of the twin brother, the duck hunter. Everybody loves the duck hunter, and he should be sitting perched right here to watch for the head and shoulders because he loves killing people at key resistance points. So we're going to put a duck hunter watch out in effect right now, right? A duck hunter watch. We're going to draw him real quick. And then we're going to leave you. Oh, check out Isaac, my nephew, Isaac, all capitals. Check out his channel. He does Minecraft. Let's see if we can get him some likes, some subscriptions, right? At the very least, just give him some likes. He needs some likes. Let's get him on the board. Isaac, all capitals. Now, let's draw our duck hunter. We're going to draw a duck hunter for Isaac. Get our little drawing tool out here. Here's our duck hunter right here. Right here's his little happy arms. His happy feet. Everybody likes the top hat. Well, that's a shitty top hat, but the duck hunter needs some ears, right? Duck hunter needs to smile. Or the jabroni killer. No, he's the duck hunter because we're at the head and shoulders, right? So the duck hunter's ready. Give him his fucked up looking gun, right? See that? It's a fucked up gun, but the duck hunter. This is where you're watching right now. Zoom in here real quick because that's your neckline. Real quick before I go, here's what you got to watch out for in the 3-minute time frame. Center this, make it look beautiful and gorgeous. You're going to bounce between support and resistance right here, obviously, right? But initially, you're going to bounce up to the, I always mix up my color scheme. The 50 days orange. I should have known that right here. Bring out our pointer tool. You're going to flirt with the 50-day, dance, and if you break it, you're going to come up to the overhead resistance, right? And then if you break that, you can come back and retest the local high right here. And then if you want to be ultimate bullish, you would have to break that with volume. There's your bullish scenario. Here's your fucking bearish scenario again. Every time on Dogecoin, you give me a bearish scenario. Well, there's your bullish scenario, right? Bullish scenario. Here's your bearish. Similar to the bullish at the beginning, but you get rejected by the 50. You come back and test the underneath support on the 200. Get a little support and then crash back down, right? And your target would be underneath. We got to zoom out of our pointer tool. Actually, right there would be a good, solid, firm area that you would probability-based fall back down to because you got a lot of trading down there. That would be some good underneath support and would be a good buy zone on Doge if you're trying to swing trade it. If it came down there real quick, then you could see what it did, but it could be going down there more, right? 2 scenarios, bullish, bearish, Doge update. Peace and love. Peace and love.